Good day everyone, we are the group 2 and today we will talk about the COVID-19 positivity rate and percentage of the population tested. This graph compares two important COVID-19 indicators across several countries. The blue bar represents the number of COVID-19 positive cases per 1,000 tests, which reflects how widespread the virus is among those tested. The orange dot represents the percentage of the population tested, showing how extensive each country's testing effort is. This comparison helps us understand not only how many cases are detected, but only how testing coverage affects reported positivity rates. Interpretation of the graph. Based on the graph, countries differ greatly in both testing coverage and positivity rates. A clear example shown in the Philippines. The Philippines has one of the most highest number of COVID-19 positive cases per 1,000 tests, indicated by a very tall blue bar, while the percentage of the population tested is very relatively low, shown by a small orange dot. This suggests that the testing was limited and mainly focused on individuals who already suspected to be infected, which resulted in a high positivity rate. In contrast, some countries show lower positivity rates, but a higher testing coverage, indicate broader and more productivity testing strategy that help detect case earlier and control transmission. Overall, the graph show that the positivity rates alone are not enough to fully understand the COVID-19 situation and must be interpreted together with testing coverage.
Implications of data. The graph implies that testing strategy plays a crucial role in managing a pandemic. High positivity rates combined with low testing coverage signal the need to expand testing. For health authorities, this data highlights the importance of increasing testing accessibility to better monitor and control the spread of the virus for the public. It emphasizes why participation in testing programs essential for community safety.
In all, the graph demonstrates the difference in COVID-19 positivity rates across countries are strongly influenced by how extensively testing is conducted. Countries that maintain low positivity rates and testing coverage are better positioned to manage and control outbreak.